Hi, my name is Alan Garfinkel. I'm the owner of Garfinkel Schwartz. I've been a lawyer for over 25 years and in this old building for almost that length of time. Recording here today from my office in Maitland, Florida, which is a suburb about 5 or 10 minutes from downtown Orlando. But I'm here to talk to you a little bit about what Garfinkel Schwartz does and why it does what it does, and the length of insurance companies of denying people medical benefits and wages under a very narrow area of law called the Defense-Based Act. If you're on this video, it's likely that you are either a veteran or a family of a veteran, or a citizen that has works in support of the United States military, or someone that lives somewhere in the world that was hired by the Department of Defense or the U.S. government to help the United States military anywhere in the world. And so what the Defense-Based Act does is that it protects folks that are not currently active military in obtaining medical benefits and treatment and or medications and or wages. And what this is about is employers, companies that have been hired by the U.S. government, Halliburton, some other giant companies that employ people to help build roads or defense equipment. Northrop might hire someone and send people over there to work on military equipment that they've sent over. What happens if someone gets hurt, a building collapse, a dust storm comes in, they disarm a bomb and someone blows up? You know, what happens to their family? What happens to their children? And many of these folks are former military that had left the military, obtained specialization, unique specialization, and then gone back to support companies that are supporting the United States government. Well, for many, many years, my entire career, I've taken on insurance companies, and really it's more than a David versus Goliath situation. It's really David versus the whole Soviet army. It's crazy. It's a multi-trillion-dollar industry going against one, family, because really these are giant multinational interests that are located all over the world, and frankly, their interest is not to pay claims. That's not to say they do it in every single matter, but in many times they do. And when they dig in their heel, and it could be a bureaucratic error, it could be someone didn't see it, or someone got offended by someone. The fact is that sometimes insurance companies do the wrong thing, and so that's why it's so important to ensure that your family or you obtain the medical treatment, the medical surgeries, the prescriptions, the wages that you and your family are entitled to. And you shouldn't let a stone go unturned because we don't. So if you were hurt, or know a friend, or have a family member that was hurt while supporting the United States military, and they're still needing help, call a lawyer. If it's our law firm, great. But if it's not our law firm, it's still good. Call a lawyer that does this area of law, and they'll help ensure you that your back, that your six is protected. So please contact a lawyer today to ensure that you're receiving all the medical benefits, all the care, all the wages that you're entitled to. Don't just take the insurance company's no as the answer. Get a second opinion, contact your own lawyer. It won't cost you any money. The lawyer will give you a free consultation. They'll handle your case for free. It's paid for by the Defense-Based Act and the insurance company. So wishing you the best of luck and a speedy recovery. This is Alan Garfinkel from Central Florida saying goodbye.